Hi guys, this is your host and host Shahzad Arsi, and today we are going to discuss about how you can create your first free blog without investing a single dime. And today we will use Blogger platform, how you can create your first successful blog without investing a single rupee. So as you can see, and if you watch this video till the end, you will get to know each and every aspect how you can create your first successful blog using Blogger platform and without investing a single rupee. So let's dive in and let's start the video. So hi guys, this is your host and host Shahzad Arsi, and you are watching Shahzad Arsi YouTube channel. So as you can see, I am in Google and I have typed in Blogger. Why? Because Blogger is the platform that Google itself offers to create your first ever free blog. So I will open this in a new tab. So uh, it's asking me to sign in. Okay, I will sign in using my Gmail credentials. So let's sign in using my Gmail credentials. I will use this Gmail credentials, my okay, one of my Gmail credentials. I will use it. You just need to sign in using your Gmail credentials. Okay guys, I have choose this as my URL, online marketing 33.blogspot.com. So I will hit next. You need to choose your URL before moving ahead, and you need to be very choosy in selecting your URL. Be very specific related to your industry, in which industry you want to serve. Yeah, I am serving in digital marketing. I have created this blog for digital marketing, so I will be using the URL of related to digital marketing. So I have typed online marketings because I haven't got online marketing .blogspot.com. So I have used a character online marketings 33.blogspot.com. So I will hit next. Now I will hit next. Display name what I want to show. Let's try online marketing. Okay, online marketing is will be the display name. Okay, I want to show display this name online marketing. No, let's try, instead of online marketing, let's try digital marketing only, because I want to display. No, online marketing is also fine. uh, Digital marketing, online marketing, let it be online marketing guys. Let it be online marketing. So let's move ahead. It's saying processing. Okay, let the process be finished. Guys, I will be completing this video within 20 minutes, so stay tuned. You will find this video very helpful. So it's showing me this European Union laws requires you to give Union visitors information about cookies used and data. You can read this. Okay, I'm not going to read this. It's about European Union laws, so you just need to read this. Okay guys, this is your Blogger dashboard. You can this is my digital marketing tips that I have created on this name. This is my title, so it's showing digital marketing. If I want to create new blog, I can create it from here, and if I want to use this digital marketing tips, then I will be I can post here. I can create new post. I can create new pages. So let's dive in and let's see what we have in store for us. So guys, for this I will be taking some content from internet in order to move ahead with the what you call, in order to move ahead with this digital marketing journey. So I will be taking some content from, suppose, not from Neil Patel, let's say from, I'm taking some content from Wikipedia. Okay, let's take some content from Wikipedia. Okay, I'm taking some content from Wikipedia. But before moving ahead, let's see, this is the three dot. Once you click on it, it will hide that, and once you hit that, it will open it. Here is the new post. You can create you click on it and you can create new post. That is something. Okay, let's move with one by one. Let's create a new post. I will hit new post. Okay, here is the title. I have to enter title, and the title is digital marketing. Okay, let's copy this title and I will paste that copy title here and add my variation digital marketing tips. Okay, to get started. Okay, this will be my title. Okay, digital marketing tips to get started is my title, and I will use this as a title, and I will move ahead with the content part. Okay, I will be adding some content here. This title part is done. Now I will copy some content. You don't copy any content from internet, otherwise Google will penalize you. But for the demonstration purpose, I am copying this content, and so that I can move ahead with the video. So let's copy some more content. Okay, some more content. Let's copy some more content. Okay, history we can copy. Okay, history we can copy. Okay, now we can use this as a subheading. Suppose I want to have this history, and I want to have it as what you call heading 2 subheading. So I can hit it, and I want to highlight it as a subheading. See, this is the subheading. Similarly, like digital marketing, I can do this and hit it as a separate subheading. So let's try digital marketing as a separate subheading, and let's try how we can do that from here. Let's see. Okay, okay guys, digital marketing. Okay, this we will make another heading. Let's heading. Okay, this is heading 1, this is heading 2. So similarly, you can create as many heading as you like, and if you want to add image within your content, you can do that very easily. Just click on it, and if you have any image, let's see that I have image in my desktop. No, I don't have any image. Let's download one image right in front of you guys. Let's download one image from digital marketing. So I will download any of the image, doesn't matter, because this is for demonstration purpose. So I will not mind on and on what you call on adding any of the domain on any of the image. So I will save this image in my desktop. Okay, okay, I have to put alt tag to the image because it's related to digital marketing. So I will put digital marketing here, so that image alt tag part is also clear, and my image also ranks in Google search. So I will click and save it. Now I will add that image, insert image, photos, upload from your computer. Let's see where my image is. It's in the name, with the name of digital marketing. Okay, let's search for that digital marketing. Okay, we have got that image. Open that, and soon we will upload that image in our what you call in our blogger. Okay, guys, you don't need to copy any image, any content from Google, because otherwise Google will penalize you. So I have entered this what you call image. If I want to align this image on the left, I can align it very easily. If I want to align this image on the right, I can align it very easily from here. Let's see how we can do that. I'm not sure. Let's try our luck. Okay, okay, not an issue. I have aligned this image here, and now let's move ahead. What more we can do, guys? This will be your heading, this will be your paragraph, this will be another heading, subheading, you can say. You can add image with image alt tag, that will help you to rank your image. Similarly, you want to add more content, you can add more content, but please write your own content. Okay, write your own content, and you can explore different things from here. I'm not going to explain each and everything, otherwise the video will be very lengthy. Label, I can use this as a label. No matching label found. Let's see, digital marketing tips. I will use this as a label. Okay, digital marketing tips. Okay, I will use this as a label. Okay, okay, not an issue. I have used this as a label. Okay, and this will show the published URL date, and I will copy this and hit this in the, I will check the permalink. What is the permalink? Online marketing 33.blogspot slash digital marketing tips to get started. Okay, okay, not an issue. Let's change the label, and let's move the, what you call, dash. Okay, digital marketing tips is my label. Okay, this is my permalink. If I want to add location, I can add location. If I don't want, then I can hide that options. I can reader comment, I can allow. Yeah, I need to allow that, and once done, I will hit publish. Before publishing, I will hit preview so that I can see my video, what you call, my article, how it appears in the in the blogger search. Okay, how it appears in the blogger search. I will hit that and see, this is the URL. It will appear in the image in the Google search. So if anyone want to add comment, they can comment here. So digital marketing tips is the level, so that's why it's showing that. So once done, I will hit publish. Okay, I will hit confirm, and my first blog post using Blogger platform is live now, you can see. And if you want to check the stat, you will check it from here also, view count, or you can check it from statistic also. Okay, you can check it from the statistic also. Today one. Okay, this month one, because today only I have created, so it's showing one. How many post? One post. Comments, you can see if someone comments on your blog, someone comments here, you can find that within this section, comment section. Earning, if you monetize your blogger platform, you can monetize it through Google AdSense. When you have around 25 to 30 post, each post length around 1,000 word long, unique post. If you have 30 unique post, with each post having 1,000 word each, you can apply for Google AdSense. So let's move to the next part. Pages, you can create pages here. Which pages you need to create? You can create pages from here. Once you are in pages section, you can create pages such as first page will be about us. First page will be about. Okay, I will hit publish. Second page will be contact. Okay, this page is published, I think. Yeah, second page is contact. This all pages is must, so I am typing in it for you guys. You need to add content. Okay, you need to add content. First page is about us, second is contact, third page will be about us, contact, privacy policy. Privacy policy, just fill in the content, guys. I'm just publishing as it is, privacy policy. Then disclaimer, fourth page will be disclaimer. Okay, these are mandatory pages, guys, mind you, these all are mandatory pages that you need to create. Disclaimer. And the next page will be terms of service. You can create another page named as terms of service. Okay, terms of service, and the terms of service. Next, if you want to disclose affiliate marketing, and if you want to promote affiliate product, then you can have this page known as affiliate disclosure. Also affiliate disclosure. If you promote affiliate product, be it from Amazon or from any other channel, if you promote affiliate product in your blog, then you need to have affiliate disclosure also in your what you call page sections. So these all pages I have created, and that's basically this all pages is mandatory. About us, contact us, privacy policy, disclaimer, terms of services, and affiliate disclosure, these all are mandatory pages. Layout is something, guys, you can how you want to look your how you want your pages to look, or how you want your blog to look. If you want right sidebar, you can add it from here. If you want to have search, you can add from here. If you want to have sidebar at the bottom, you can add it from here. Okay, subscription, if you want, you can add it from here. AdSense, page body. Let's try something, guys. Sidebar, about me, I want to add about me. Okay, let's see. I will try featured post. Okay, it's already added. Let's try something else. Okay, these all are added, already added. Profile, featured post. So so I will not use this because it's already added something. So search box, it's already on the top. So if I want to add some gadget at the bottom, I can use this, I can use this feature. Okay, I can use this layout rather. So let's see what this layout shows, guys. The don't know why it's taking long. Okay, featured post is added. Okay, something is added. Okay, not an issue, we can add it from here. Layout you can use and explore which you want to showcase. Okay, in your what you call, in your post. Okay, in your post which you want to show, you can use layout to show that. Okay, let's see. If I want to change the, let's see, guys, let's see if I want to. Okay, I want to, let's open this post on a new tab. Let's open this post on a new tab, and let's see, this is the, okay, and I want to see this post live. Okay, not, okay, I want to see this post live. Live I want to see. Okay, let's visit this post. Let's visit this post, preview post. Okay, now it's previewing the post, it's showing again edit. Okay, not an issue, guys. If you want to change the layout, if you want to draft, add to level, if you want to view this, you can view it from here. Okay, now I am clear. If you want to view this post, you can view this from here. See, this is the theme layout of the blog post that I have choose. If I want to change the theme, I can change it from here, where, from the theme section. And see, if I don't like this theme, then I can use another theme. Say I like this theme, I will add this and apply it. And once I apply it, you will see, once I apply it, I will click on preview, and see, this is the preview of the next theme. So I think you can explore of your own using different themes. See, the theme has changed, so you can customize your theme the way you like using changing the theme. Let's move to the setting part, guys. Let's move to the setting part. What we have in the setting? So in the setting we have, this is the title that I used, digital marketing tips. This is the description. This is very mandatory, you need to have description. What is description? Let's show you guys. This description is this snippet of text. This snippet of text, this is called description. Okay, this is description, this is description. So you can add that description here. I can add that description, or any description I can add that here. If I want to show that description here, I can show it. I can save it, and it will be add my description. You need to add your description. I am just copying and pasting it. You need to add your description. Okay, unique description, unique title, unique blog post. And blog language, English United, leave as it is. Adult content, so warning to blog readers, yes. So warning to blog readers, no, because my page is not adult content, so that's why I don't want to show. Fab icon, you want to change the fab icon, you can change it from here very easily. You can change it. Privacy, visible to search engines, yes. I want to display my post openly. blog address. This is my blog address. Custom domain, if you want to add custom domain, you can add that from here. You just need to add your custom domain here. You need to either buy it, or if you have any domain that you want to add to your blogger platform, then you can add that custom domain whenever you want. You can add that custom domain and just need to enter, and it will be verified, auto verified using blogger platform. Once you have domain, then you can once you have domain, and once you think that you are getting decent money using this blogger free template, using this blogger, once you have applied for Google AdSense, and if you are earning decent money from blogger, then you can buy some domain from GoDaddy or Namecheap, and add that domain, custom domain here, and just enter that, and it will be verified auto. HTTPS always, because HTTPS is the ranking factor. Permission, yes, blog admins and authors, pending author initiatives, okay. Invite more authors, I can invite more authors. Reader access public, okay. Post max post shown on the main page 7 post. I can customize that. I want to take so 10 post. I can do that here very easily, okay. I hope this is clear. Post template optional. Image lightbox, I can use it or not use it as I want. Comment, I can embed that comment location. Comment moderation, never. If I want to moderate comment, okay, then I will hit on always, and I will save that, okay. Once I approve that comment, then only it will be verified. Email, you can use this as okay. Formatting, time zone, you can customize it. Meta tag, you can enter your, enable your search description, you can use meta tag also. So you can enable custom ads text. Once your Google AdSense is approved, you can open this, you can on this, and it will be displayed in your blog post, okay. I hope these all are clear, guys. So let's move what's in the next. We have reading list. In the reading list, all blogs, you can read it from here. Any update from blogger platform, you can read it from here. And in the setting also, guys, if you want to have what you call Google AdSense, once you apply, once you write at least 25 to 30 unique posts, as I told you, with 1000 word each post, then you can apply for Google AdSense, and Google will give you reward, and your Google AdSense will be approved. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, because I have shown you the free method using blogger template, using blogger platform, how you can easily create your free blog, and just explore it. Once you are done that, yeah, now you are adding, now you are earning money using Google AdSense, then you can switch to either wordpress.org, or you can just add custom domain, buy some domain from GoDaddy or Namecheap, and add that custom domain, and it will remove this what you call online marketing 33.blogspot, and whatever domain you have. Suppose I have my name domain like Sajadarshi, then it will remove this, and it will redirect from online marketing 33.blogspot to Sajadarshi. So that's very important for branding purpose. If you have custom domain, and you can definitely move to the custom domain like your name, or some branding domain like digitalmarketing.com or sajadarshi.com. It will be more valuable in the eyes of Google, and it's used as a branding factor also. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking this video, share it among your community, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. And if you have any comment, sorry, if you have any question, any queries, anything that you have in your mind that I haven't covered in this video, please comment below. I would love to answer your comment. I would love to sort out your comment. So that's it for this video, guys. This is this is your friend Shahzad Darsi signing off for now. Bye, take care, see you in another exciting video.